Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a circle. Inside it, there are two perpendicular lines. This line passes through the center of this circle and the length of this side is 12 units. And the length of this line is 9 units. We have to find the radius of this circle. At first, join this point and the center of this circle. Now consider the radius of this circle is x unit. So this line indicates the radius of this circle. So this will be x. And from the center, this is the point in the circumference. So this is also radius. As radius is x, so this line, this will also be x. But the total line is 12 unit. So the rest of this segment, this is 12 minus x, because this is x and whole line is 12. So this length will be 12 minus x unit. And this line we have given 9 unit. As this line is perpendicular, so this angle is 90 degree. So applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle A, B, C. So applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, we can write AB square is equal to this BC square plus this line AC square. Or now substitute all of this value, we can write AB is x unit. So left side this will be x square is equal to BC square. As BC, this line is 12 minus x unit. So this will be 12 minus x and whole square plus AC square. The length of AC is 9 unit. So 9 square. Or left side, this is x square is equal to, now applying formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. So applying this formula, we can write it as 12 square. This as a square minus 2 times a, that means 12 times b means x, plus this x square, plus this term 9 square is 81. Or left side, x square is equal to 12 square is 144 minus 2 times 12 is 24 and this x plus this x square plus this 81. Or taking this 24x and this x square to left side, we will get left side x square and this negative 24x, this will be positive 24x, and this positive x square, it will be negative x square, is equal to 144 plus 81, this is 225. Or this x square and this x square will cancel out and it will be 24x is equal to right side 225. Now divided both sides by 24, we will get the value of x. So x is equal to this 225 divided by this 24. and we will get the value of x is equal to 225 divided by 24 is 9.37 and 5, and this is the radius of this circle. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.